In this video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Pocket Option Trading app. So in order to get this, what you can do is you first need to head over right here into your Google Play. It can be on any device such as PC as well as your mobile. Head over to Google Play and search for Pocket Option. It's developed by Pocket Investments LLC, so make sure to install this one with this logo. Head over and click on this install option that you can see right here. So the Pocket app usually looks like this. They actually cater a lot of payment methods such as Visa, MasterCard, EasyPay, and the likes. So you can see right here that they have multilingual support, so wherever you are around the world, you will should be able to use this. Now in here, they also have in here a demo account. So if you're not still sure about trading, you can head over and get that first, and then try real trading by topping off the money. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.